In this video, I will cover division and multiplication of positive and negative numbers. So there are four possibilities. Both numbers are positive, or both numbers are negative, or one number is positive and second number is negative. And similar way, one number is negative, second one is positive. So if both numbers are positive, answer is positive. If both numbers are negative, then also answer is positive. But one number is negative and one number is positive, answer is negative. Similar way, this one is also negative. Now same thing for the division, negative a divided by negative b. So here we can see negative negative is positive, so answer should be in positive value. Second chance, positive a divided by positive b. So both number are positive, so answer is positive. So is equal to a by b. Next, negative a divided by positive b. If negative positive, answer is negative. Then if a divided by negative b, so here positive a divided by negative b, so positive negative, then it is negative value. So answer is negative. So answer is negative a divided by b. So this one is for both multiplication and division. Now first example, negative 3 divided by 2 multiply with 5 divided by 3. So we can cancel here same factors 3. So answer is 5 over 2. But one number is positive and one number is negative. So answer is negative 5 over 2. Now next example, negative 3 over 7 multiply with negative 11 over 2. So 11 multiply with 3 and 7 multiply with 2. So 33 divided by 14. But both numbers are negative. So answer is positive. So 33 divided by 14. Now next example, 1.9 multiply with 1.2. Here both are positive values. So answer is positive 2.28. Next example, negative 7.3 multiply with positive 3.1. So one value is negative, one value is positive. So answer is negative. So negative 22.63. Next example, negative 4.1 multiply with negative 0.5. So negative negative is positive value. So answer is positive is equal to 2.05. Next is multiplication and division. Here example, a over b divided by c over d is equal to a over b multiply with d over c. Here in this rule, this is the division. It will convert to the multiplication. Here numerator is c, whereas here denominator is c. Here denominator is d, whereas here numerator is d. That means it is the reciprocal. Converted c over d to the d over c. Example, 3 over 2 divided by 4 over 3. So now we will do here reciprocal. This sign will be converted to the multiplication sign. So is equal to 3 over 2 multiply with 3 over 4. Answer is 9 over 8. Next example, 5 over 3 divided by 4. So we can write 4 is equal to 4 divided by 1. So we can write like this, 5 over 3 divided by 4 over 1. So here we will change from 4 over 1 to 1 over 4. And this sign will change to the multiplication. So is equal to 5 over 3 multiply with 1 over 4. So 5 multiply with 1 is equal to 5 and 3 multiply with 4 is equal to 12. So answer is 5 over 12. All values are positive, so answer is positive. Hope this video helped you understand multiplication and division of positive and negative numbers. Subscribe and like the video if you want more lessons.